Are you ready for mini egg season, aka Easter? Well, I am. So today we're making Honeybear Lane's Cadbury Crack, which I'll rename in this video to Mini Egg Crack since I'm not using Cadbury's actually. It's a highly addictive salty and sweet snack, which you may have interpreted from the name. There will be a link in the description to her full recipe below. We'll start with pounding a half cup of mini eggs in a plastic bag with a mallet. Whoops! Yeah, you might want to put a cutting board underneath to prevent damage to the surface you're using. Then, on medium heat, we'll melt a third cup of margarine. With a third cup of brown sugar, stir until it reaches a medium boil for a few minutes. Take it off the heat while you get out about 18 to 20 soda crackers. Stick them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. While that's happening, I used a full 100 grams of chocolate, so 1 chocolate bar, and melted them in 3 30-second intervals. You can use whichever chocolate you want. So in this one I'm using dark chocolate, but I've made a milk chocolate one and they tasted great. Now spread the chocolate all over your crackers. Add in your crushed mini eggs from earlier and some shredded coconut. Refrigerate for about an hour. Afterwards, break them apart and enjoy. Seriously, it's so good, my hands just kept reaching for more. Let me know if you tried these in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon!